Hello everyone. I, Dr. Sanjeev Bahadur, along with Dr. Sasikant Chandrakar, on behalf of Columbia Institute of Pharmacy Raipur, welcome you all in this workshop. There is an old saying that in every adversity lies an opportunity, and this has never been true than the current COVID-19 pandemic. We at Columbia have organized number of seminars, workshops, SDPs, FDPs, and international conference. However, this is our first e-workshop, and not only this, we are organizing a series of e-workshop. This is just a beginning, and a schedule for other workshops has been shared with you all. Anyone and everyone can follow this workshop and gain a lot. Before starting our workshop, let me say few things about Columbia Institute of Pharmacy. Our UG course BPharm is accredited by NBA New Delhi. Our PG department's MPharm is supported by DST Feast program. Guinea pig, albino rats, rabbits and other experimental animals are housed in Animal House. This Animal House is approved by CPC SCA and have breeding license also. More than 1.5 crores of fund has been received from various government organizations to conduct research. We have conducted number of national seminars, workshops, SDPs, FDP and 3 international conferences. CIP has featured in NIRF ranking issued by MHRD Government of India. We have received number of consultancy projects worth more than 1 crore from industry. Our institute has also filed patent in assistance with CCOST Raipur and DST Government of India New Delhi. Following are the courses offered by CIP. D-Farm with intake of 60 seats, B-Farm with 100 seats, M-Farm in 4 specialization, namely pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmaceutical analysis and quality assurance, and phytomedicine, PhD in pharmacy. Now let us move to e-workshop. Main objective of this workshop is to give viewers complete overview of manufacturing and evaluation of tablets, starting from granulation till dissolution study. In this workshop, we shall discuss and demonstrate working of tablet punching machine, which is a rotary type, fibrillator, disintegration test apparatus and dissolution test apparatus. These are images of few equipments, instruments that I have mentioned in last slide. I would like to acknowledge the contribution of various members of our team, Dr. Sasikant Chandrakar, Mr. Mithlesh Chandrakar, Mr. Mistry Lal Sahu, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Sahu, Mr. Santosh Dhritlehre, Mr. Srinivas Iyer, and Mr. Jageshwar Verma. I would also like to acknowledge our principal, Professor Amit Roy, and people from management, Sri Kishore Jadwani and Sri Harjit Singh Hura, for their constant support and encouragement. I hope you all will enjoy the workshop. You all are requested to post your questions into chat box. Please do not fill chat box with any other messages other than questions. Now let us begin our workshop.
और भी और आ जाए ना, एग्जाम तक ले लो। स्टेशन टैबलेट पंचिंग मशीन, here we can say that these are the punches of the this tablet multi-station tablet punching machine. There are different number of punches are present. Here we can see that number 7, number 6, number 5, etc. And this is the hopper to feed the granules for compression in the form of a tablet. This is the start button to start this machine. This is the stop button, and this is the emergency button if there is any accidental cases occur. So if you press this button like that, then the machine will be stopped. And here we can see that the rotation of the this machine, and the speed is सेट थ्रू दिस नॉब। हमको कितने स्पीड से हमें इसको चलाना है तो हम इस नॉब के थ्रू हम जो है हम इसको कम कर सकते हैं। हियर there is a two set button is present. One is known as the dozer. So by setting this dozer, we can set the filling amount of a die in the filling amount of granules or powder in the die cavity. So we can adjust like that, increase or decrease. So the filling is controlled. Now next is this is the thickness setter. So by using this knob, we can set the thickness of the tablet. Here we can see that by using this knob up and down, the thickness of the tablet can be set. So this is the brief of this tablet punching machine. Now if you want to punch in the form of a tablet, so granules is taken here and is transferred in the hopper. हमने इसको granules को जो है hopper में हमने यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर किया। Closed. And punching will start. Starting. Tablets are transferred next to this motor tablet. This is the weight of 20 tablet, 18.74 gram. Now the again this transferred into the battery. Teared again. This is here. Weight is again teared. Now the individual tablet is weighed. This is the one tablet. Next tablet, weight. Again, I am using the next tablet. So weight is loaded down. For this, I am using the R20 tablets for its weight measurement. First is set at the zero value. तो सबसे पहले जीरो नॉब को रोटेटर पिन से जीरो में सेट करें। सेट करने के बाद फिर टेबलेट को जो है हम यहाँ पे चार में हम यहाँ पे इसमें इसको अप्लाई करने के बाद फिर हमें धीरे धीरे इसको हम यहाँ पे ऐसे टाइट करते जाते हैं। देखते हैं कि कौन से वैल्यू पे जो है टेबलेट जो है क्रश होता है। जिस भी वैल्यू पे क्रश होगा इसका हार्डनेस होगा। This crushed in the value of 5. So this is the hardness of this tablet. Tablet is steady, so therefore this pre-weight before the starting the tablet testing. So integrate the better dish. Now it is transferred. transferred into the batteries. Then its weight is noted down. This is the preliminary weight for the friability study. Friability test apparatus. This is the switch to set the RPM of the this friability. This is the reset button for the RPM. And there is a on-off switch is present below this side. Now I am starting the switch of this friability test apparatus. Started for here I set the 100 RPM, so there is the observing the 100 RPM of the friability test. When there is a 100 RPM reached, instrument automatically giving the beep sound, that is for the completion of total RPM required. So 100 RPM is completed. Automatically switched off. ओपन है मेजरमेंट ऑफ बेटा पे टैबलेट ठीक है बंद कर दो स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्टली वेट आउट so this is the weight after the friability test of the tablet. Then calculation performed is how much percentage of friability occurs in the friability test. Apparatus. Firstly, here we set the heater that is for maintaining the temperature of this instrument. So it is set at the 37 degree centigrade. The emergency is on, heater is going on, and it will take certain times to maintain the temperature of disintegration फ्लूइड. यहाँ पे हमने जो वाटर लिया हुआ है उसका टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करने के लिए जो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. हमने यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर को भी सेट कर दिया है 37 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. When the temperature is reached, it will take certain times and it can be measured by the thermometer. Thermometer से मेजर करके देखेंगे टेम्परेचर मेंटेन में कितना टाइम लगेगा. तो टेम्परेचर आ जाएगा उसके बाद फिर हम इसमें डिसिमिनेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट चीज़ है integration apparatus. So 6 tablet is taken for this integration study. Mesh is put inside the apparatus. Just starting the instrument, large graph is observed. How much time it will take to completely pass the particle from 10 mesh of this container? तो 10 mesh of this integration test apparatus. यहाँ नीचे जो 10 mesh का यहाँ पे नेट लगा हुआ है 10 mesh का नेट है, उससे जो है टैबलेट पूरा completely पास हो जाना चाहिए. And this is the time of this disintegration test apparatus.
हो गया.
Different test apparatus. Here we can say that this is a pedal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 station is present here. There is a set button is present to set the temperature, RPM, steering speed, clock, steer on, etc. And there is a up and down main switch, up and down machine, and heater switch is present here. This is the temperature probe through which we can measure the temperature of this basket. Now the working of this is also test apparatus. For this I am removing here. So using this, I am setting the temperature is firstly set here. That is around I am setting it at that 35 degrees centigrade. Then the RPM is set here. Now if the RPM is completed, then this station is downing with the help of a switch. So I am downing this instrument. Now it is covered with the cap. this is showing the temperature of this instrument. Now I am starting the setting the RPM. So RPM is set here, that is around here 50 again. You can change here like 100, but now I am using the 50 RPM. Then stirrer is on, going to on here. Start the test. This is showing the rotation of all these paddles. You can see that there is it is moving now. Now I am using the 6 tablet for dissolution study. So this is introduced in this tablet. This is the one. This is the next. So dissolution instrument is starting now. After the certain time interval, we are sampling to these holes. इससे जो है हम यहाँ पे सैम्पलिंग करेंगे, फिर जो सैंपल मिलेगा उसका जो है हम एनालिसिस करेंगे थ्रू द आइदर यूवी और थ्रू द HPLC. दैट्स ऑल.